Let's go get him again.
So it looks like the brand of Kajal is releasing a Kajal Homme 2. This is a good time to finally unbox my Kajal Homme, the OG. Stick around. Let's unbox this one. Fragrance family, welcome to the Roll Joy channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing and giving a first impression on Kajal Homme. This one released back in 2015. Now, Kajal is a brand. This is my very first mention on my channel. All I knew from them was their beautiful large caps. They really caught my eye on their bottles, and you're going to see one of those here. They have some that are more colorful than this one, and those were the ones that impressed me the most as far as the caps, the presentation. I was like, whoa, what is this brand all about? So as for the juice background of the brand, I know very little. A certain subscriber of mine got a hold of me and basically had a contact at the brand, said, listen, Mark, get a hold of them and they'll take care of you. So I did. Full disclosure, I did not pay for the bottle that is in my hand today. And I do want to thank the brand of Kajal, and of course the person that helped me out was Mo. Great guy. Our interaction was excellent. During our talks about the brand, I wanted to get to know the brand a little bit more, and I can't wait to see what this one has in store for me. So thank you so much to Mo, but let's let's unbox this thing. All right, now let's unbox Kajal. And when any brand sends me a fragrance, especially when they have several of the line and they pick the fragrance, it always intrigues me to see, do they go with the safe release? So, you know, a larger audience likes it, or do they tailor it? The thing is, I feel like the brand has a lot of faith in Kajal Homme, and they feel like a lot of people will enjoy the brand, and that's why they're sending this particular release to me. So it's very, I always take a look at that and get, let's say, intrigued on why they would select this particular release. I guess this is their flagship for men, I would assume, because it's called so again, I'm very new to this brand. This would be my very first sniff of the fragrance of any fragrance from this brand, and the dark juice is nice. The bottle, I like the plaques here on both ends of the bottle. The oversized cap, fan of that. I always like, they look good in pictures, at least Instagram will look good. But I really am intrigued on this one and see what I get from it. Let's sniff this one out. Atomizer is, yeah, it's okay. I feel like I don't have that much control with that atomizer, but let's see what I get out of Kajal. Okay, warm. Yeah, very warm, spicy ordeal. Cardamom is your main player here. There's a little bit of citrus up top, a little bit of mandarin. Some good blend here. Yeah, the cardamom's the main player. Yeah, the spice is your main player here. The cardamom is your main player, at least from what I smell here. Signature scent worthy, I feel like it would be, especially in a cooler climate like here in Canada. It does have some class to it. It is very much masculine. That mandarin's very nice, but cardamom, it's more of a spicy affair. I really didn't know what I was coming to expect with Kajal. Good blend. I don't know how much they're asking for these. Probably, I don't want to guess, but obviously over $100. It is a 100 mil, isn't it? Yeah, it's 100 mils. So it's a scent that is very well done, very well composed, but it's not a wow release to me. I feel like I want something a little more, I would have to say a little more off the beaten path. And again, it's their I'm assuming this is their men's staple, and sometimes you want to go signature scent worthy, and this is where this falls into. This kind of makes me feel of like, like a men's staple. I feel like it goes towards that Chanel Allure territory where it's nice, well blended. The quality's there, but the wow factor is kind of missing for me. We'll see. It has some sweetness. I'm feeling some sweetness out of this release now, but definitely more of a warm, spicy affair, which the juice obviously tells you how I'm going to feel about this fragrance. Very comforting. Well done release. Nothing that is wowing me. I can't wait to delve into this one a little bit more, especially now in this Canadian winter, and see how much this spice runs through with my skin. But this atomizer already kind of leaking a little bit here. I got some concerns about that a little bit, but other than that, well blended release. It certainly has a citrusy, fruity opening with cardamom backing. I like it, not love. We'll see how it goes with the journey. Now this is going to go in the vault for a, of course, pop the cherry once I have a couple wearings on my skin. Now that you heard my take on Kajal Homme, I would love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think of this particular release and anything else from the brand? I'm a noob to this brand. I always like to discover new brands, especially these sweet caps that they have. I'd like to see maybe your thoughts on the ones that have really big. I don't know if the caps are bigger than these, but they have color to them. Very interesting design. Definitely caught my eye. And as always, a great or poor fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.